Once you create your assignment in your class, you're now going to want to go copy it to your other classes. So to do that, you're going to click on whatever assignment you want. So we're going to copy the interactive notebook check assignment to all my classes. So I'm going to click up here on Tools, and then I'm going to click Add to Assignment Bank. Once I click Add to Assignment Bank, my assignment bank opens, and you can see all of my assignments. You can create a new folder if you have specific different classes that you want to add stuff to. So we're going to go ahead and create a new folder. And this is going to be a shared folder I'm going to share with everybody else on my team. We're going to call this Biology. Okay, so I want this one to go in the Biology folder. So I'm going to click on Biology, the arrow. And then I'm going to click Add to Biology folder. Once it says successfully added to your bank, you can now create your other assignments. So going into the assignment bank, here I can see my folder and my biology. So if I double click on the biology folder, it's going to show me my assignment. If I check next to it, you're going to click copy assignment to classes. And from here, you can add any classes that you have, assignments that you need to add to, or you can send it specifically to users within that class. I've set my due date and then your publish date. If you're not publishing this for immediate, you're going to fill out the publish date and click copy to classes. It'll publish on the day and time that you assign. If you want it to be published immediately, you're going to click copy to classes and publish. Once you're done this, all assignments should be copied to all of your classes.